will introduce words starting with the letter V. Okay. One day I was traveling to a village with my parents in a van. For van. On the way, I saw a vegetable seller. Some vehicles on the road. These are the vehicles. And a man with a violin. For violin. Okay. I also saw a man in a vest selling. V for vest. Vest selling vanilla ice cream. V for vanilla ice cream to a child. The child had a V for volleyball in his hand. It was great fun to be on this journey. Okay. Okay, student, let's have a phonic sound of the letter V. Okay. V says V. This is a small V. Okay. V for vegetables. Eating green vegetables is good for health. V for vase. We decorate flowers in a vase. V for violin. A violin is a musical instrument. Okay. V for van. V for van. We travel to school in a van. Okay. V for vulture. A vulture is a bird. V for vacuum cleaner. A vacuum cleaner helps to remove dust from the carpet. Okay. V for vest. Vest is a type of inner garment. Okay, let's see, student. This is the step by step of letter formation of letter V. This is capital V. Now small v. Okay, small v. Okay, students, let's practice capital letter V. V. Capital V. Okay. This is small v. Small v. Do practice at your home.